Hello guys, review tablet Sigma Smart Tab A1010 or 1010. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have tablet, on this we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable, and we have back cover in complementation. Okay, good complementation. And now talk about tablet. We have metal body, main camera, LED on the front side, display 10-inch, connectors, speakers on the downside, upside slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, headphones jack on this side, front camera on this side, power key and volume keys, USB Type-C port. Okay, turn on, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, display a full HD resolution, this IPS display. Look results test, single core score and multi-core score. We have CPU Spreadtrum SC 9863, this octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU PowerVR. Look into the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark results, okay, close this. And open the main game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Resume. Game load, works good, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Very good gameplay, okay. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.